What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile name on the Claude AI account. Now as you can see here on my left hand side, my account with Andrew, and I can change this. To do that, just simply click on that account name on the left hand side and go to settings there, and it's going to open up and you will see profile. Here is a name. It says what should the AI call you. You can call that. So let's say I don't want it to say Andrew, but I want it to say Drew. I can put that, but I can also go ahead and change my name here. It says full name. I can go ahead and I can write whatever. So let's say if I wanted to call me Andrew AI, for example, I can call that, and that's it. I can write that as my full name, and I can say Drew for the AI to call me. And that's it. You can even add a little icon here in your account. So if you want to add something here, you can go ahead by simply choose something, and that's going to go ahead and be here. Once you're done, you can go ahead and click on save as well. You also have two other options here at the bottom where it basically say what best describes your work and what personal preference should Claude consider in responses. So you can go ahead and you can add those. But that's it. Once you're finished changing your name, click on save changes, and that's all that you have to do.